Welcome. Hello everyone. I have a Dollar Tree haul for you today. In today's haul, I did pick up some more Patriotic items, some summer items. I found some great new items hitting Crafter Square. I also picked up some health and beauty and other items from throughout the store. So let's go ahead and jump in. I did pick up several florals here for 4th of July. They have so many different ones to choose from. I did get 2 stems of each. This is a pansy, red Gerber daisies, and these white are zinnias. I thought they were really pretty. They're going to make a perfect centerpiece. I also picked up a package of their mini flags. You do get 3. These are nice. I also grabbed a couple packages of their foam wands. This one, proud to be an American, and then this one just the Uncle Sam's hat. They also had one that said USA. Now these are great. They are easy to add to pots or any other vases maybe that you have around the house to add a little bit of patriotic flair. They also work very well in centerpieces. The little flags you can put in your pots outside, out front. Lots of different things you can do with these guys to make quick, easy decor at home. They also have a table runner, which is really nice. This is 11 inches by 60 inches. Perfect to use if you're going to have family or friends over for the 4th. I also picked up a package of hanging decorations. These are pinwheels. All you have to do is open them up and hang them up. Easy ways to add good flair for the 4th. I also found this decorative balloons that say USA. Everything that you need is in the package. Another great way to decorate maybe your table where you're going to put all your food. They have a lot of really nice items if you're going to do a celebration at your home to decorate it for the 4th. I grabbed another one of their wood hanging decors, Land of the Free. Now they've had these for about the last 3 years. I really like them. You get the wood stars that hang and a little plaque. Now this is perfect if you want to do a small wreath for the 4th. You have your sign, you have your embellishments all in one piece. I also picked up a package of their seasonal noisemakers. I thought those were pretty cool. These you could even put on a dowel rod and put inside a floral arrangement. You could go that route. And I thought that was fun. You swing them around and they make noise. You get 2 per pack. They did come out with some new garden stakes for the 4th of July. I really like this one with the gnomes that says welcome. And then I also found this one. I love the truck with all those florals in the back, and it says America at the bottom. Now these were each $1.50 each. I like these. When I put them outside, they only last 1 season, and that's what I'm going to do with these. 1 in each of the big pots I have out front. Now that was all of the 4th of July items I picked up. I did pick up some more florals. Look at how pretty that is. That just made such bright, shiny. I really love the colors. It reminds me of summer. We have pansies, roses, and then these 2 are like a mixed bunch, peony. Really, really pretty florals. Now this is the first time I found one of these at Dollar Tree. It is a bird feeder. This was in their plus section. It's $5. But we have a lot of birds that come and we tend to feed them. So I'm going to give this a try. I'm hoping that it's not going to be too big of a mess with loose bird seed. But for $5, I'm willing to take the chance. Now over in the summer section, they had so many really pretty water bottles to put out. This is BPA free. I needed a new water bottle for when I am out driving around, and I thought this is perfect. They had several different patterns to choose from, but I liked this one the best. Really pretty. Now in the summer section, they had all kinds of fun stuff out there. I picked up a ring toss game, 8 pieces. For, I believe this was $1.75. A great lawn game if you have kids. I also found this. I don't remember seeing this before, the dolphin. I thought he was really cute. This might make a fun project for the summer. Not quite sure what I want to do with it yet, but I thought I'd grab one. I also picked up this sign, Summer Paradise. I thought that was really bright and cherry. This will make a nice centerpiece on a big wreath for summer. Our little floaty here is 3-dimensional. It's an additional piece that is added on top. This is a big sign. They also put out a really good variety of napkins for summer. I really liked this one, the lime. You get 20 napkins, 11.9 by 11.9, and they had all different kinds of fruit, lemons, limes, oranges. I believe they also had watermelon. Really cute napkins. Now over in the teaching tree section, I found these. I thought they were adorable. It's called a school pass. This one says hall pass on it. And this one says bathroom pass. That's a nice thick piece of wood. And it does come pre-drilled with a string, so it looks like a tag. I thought these were adorable, and they're perfect for upcycling into something new. Now this was something new that showed up in the Crafter Square section, a sewing kit with a storage case. Look at that, you get a little bit of everything that you need. This is something perfect that if you do a lot of traveling to take with you, or I would keep something like this in my glove box in case a button popped off or I had a little hole or something I needed to fix. But that's pretty good for $1.50. They also put out some new diamond painting sheets. They had several to choose from. These are much larger. I like that it's more colorful. You still get everything that you need and instructions. But this one was my favorite with the bee. New packaging. Again, new packaging. Paint set. I thought that looked pretty cool. All of the colors look like they're luminescent or have some glitter in them. So I'll have to check it out and see what the quality is. And you get 13 pieces in this set. Now these were interesting. I found these in the checkout lane. I found 4 different ones. Let me open one so you can see. They are pre-printed, the size of about a postcard. Let's see if I can get this open. This one is their Good Vibes pack. I thought this would be good for crafting. So you got your 8 balls, lots of different things, really pretty. These would make great backgrounds for other projects. That is why I bought them. They come on pretty decent cardstock. It's not super thick, but definitely worth it. So we have the Good Vibrations. This is the Fun Food. Pastel Preppy. And this one I think is my favorite, Jet Set. Let me open this one too. Very nice. These will definitely be great backgrounds for projects. You can even put them in clusters on your wall for decor. Really nice. Checkout lane, or where they have all the little girly stuff. That's usually where I find these. I thought this was really pretty. A little ceramic tray of a leaf. Perfect for putting your earrings or anything in. And it is fully ceramic, so you can definitely paint this and make it your own. Now this was brand new. I have not seen these before. These are nice and thick wood plaques. They have 3 different shapes to choose from. I do believe these were $3 a piece, but they are nice and big. They're nice and thick. You just want to make sure that you go through them. A lot of them have knots. You want to make sure that that's nice and smooth so it doesn't affect whatever project you decide to do. So we have this shape. Nice big oval. And this one. But I really had to dig through the box to find ones that didn't have really bad knots in them. So make sure you check through your wood pieces before you bring them home. My stores also restocked their 3-piece wood pieces. You can get it in a star, a heart, or a circle. And I use these all the time. I really like them, and I like that they have 3 different sizes, because then you always have the size that you need for your project. I also grabbed some more floral foam. I grabbed a square 2.9 by 3.9 by 3.9. And then this one, I use this one a lot. And let's see, 1.9 by 3.6. Now they got in their bags of polyfill. They don't have these very often. I've only found this one other time. But you get a nice big bag. I'm not sure how much this was. I think it might have been $3. But that's perfect. Any type of pillow, blanket, or little animal that you want to make that you need stuffing for, this will work perfectly. Now I did pick up some items over in Health and Beauty, and I use these all the time. My essentials, my cotton rounds, and cotton swabs. Now this item is a repurchase for me. Hemp Happy Hemp Seed Oil Body Lotion. This is their original. Now I buy Hemp's body lotion, their original. Every time I have that and I wear it, I get compliments on how good it smells. This has a similar smell to it. It's not quite as strong, but this works really well on my skin. The hemp seed oil is great. So if you haven't tried this and you have dry skin or crepey skin, try it. I also came across this River and Row Honey Rescue Foot Glaze. Nourishes and renews 3.5 ounces. That sounded great. I am a barefoot queen, so I always need good creams and stuff for my feet, otherwise they get overly dry. Ione put out a new box of nails, so I did grab 2 different sets. I liked that one. I thought it was different. And whenever I buy these, I buy 2 of the same to make sure that I have all the right sizes for my nails. And then this one. I thought this one would be cute. It has hearts all over it. Good for Valentine's Day. And then this was something new by Global Beauty. Turmeric Face Milk. Brightens and nourishes 1.7 ounce. Well, it smells nice, fresh, and clean, but it is super liquidy. It just feels like water. Something new. I thought these were adorable. Something new that I haven't seen before. They have a nice seal. I thought these would be good for maybe salad dressings, something along those lines. Body lotions or creams you could put into these. Pretty. I found a new package of the Brookstone. This is a 3-pack dead skin repair kit. 3 tools in there. I did come across some Garfield items in the store. A 4-pack mini cat toy kit. My cats will love those. And then I was happy to find these, a 2-pack car coaster set. to make it easy to clean out your drink holders. But look at that, isn't that cute? Oh, I can't wait to put it in the car. Oh my goodness, I found this. Grow your own digital pet. Do any of you remember having these when we were younger? I do. I think I was junior high or high school when I had this. Your little electronic pocket pet. Really cool to see them at Dollar Tree. I also came across these mini drink cup keychains. Those are really cute. I got one in blue and one in pink. This would also make a really cute purse charm. Now this was something new that I found. 7 pieces assorted cable management kit. It's to help wrangle all of your cords so that they're not flailing all over the place. I thought that was a good idea, so I grabbed one. My stores just restocked all of their sunglasses, so I went ahead and picked up another pair. I tell you, I break these all the time. I lose them. I have about 3 or 4 pairs of sunglasses. And I need that many because I'm always losing them. And there you go. That's everything that I picked up from my local Dollar Trees this past week. I hope you're enjoying this nice weather that we're having and have big plans for summer. Take care of yourself, my friend, and I'll see you in the next video.